it's been Killdragon56. Hey guys, I have a new fidget spinner and a new fidget cube. Now this is a real one. Okay guys, so this is a real one. And I got this paycheck on fidget spinner. So yeah, I'm gonna do a fidget spinner giveaway, guys, and another fidget spinner giveaway, and now a fidget cube giveaway. So yeah, see you guys. See you in the next. So guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey, what up, squad fam? It's your boy Spin Daddy Mike, and today I'm going to show you some of the hottest moves you can do with a fidget spinner. Here's what you need. Confidence. This one's called Double Trouble. This is the trick that really put me on the map. This next trick is called the bunny hop, and I'm gonna let this one speak for itself. Check it. So sick. This one's called Lady Fingers. Can't do it.
Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, friend?